Today we are talking about liver health. We're specifically talking about fatty liver disease. And it's a disease that is exactly what it sounds like. There is fat deposits in your liver. It's pretty common actually. It's up to 40% prevalence in the US adults and a 25% prevalence in the world. And worldwide, the liver is the second most common organ transplant, even though only about 10% of transplant needs actually get met. So liver disease is unfortunately common. And what's even more shocking is that it's relatively undetectable. There really are no overt signs of fatty liver disease. People can't really even tell that they have it. It's primarily caused by obesity, insulin resistance, and diabetes. So if you have one of those conditions, it's a good idea to make sure that you are talking with your doctor about your liver health. Liver disease can also be caused by high fat intake, causing high fat content in your blood. And contrary to popular belief, you don't have to be an alcohol drinker to get liver disease. In fact, doctors have different categories of liver disease based on whether or not it was caused by high alcohol consumption. So fatty liver disease is commonly caused by poor diet. Now, although you can't tell from an outward symptom, this doesn't mean that it's harmless. In fact, it is the precursor to much more serious liver diseases like cirrhosis, which is the hardening of the liver, and that leaves permanent damage in your body's detox house, and even liver failure. Cirrhosis is the 11th most common cause of death in the world. So fatty liver disease is dangerous because fat in the liver acts as a toxin to liver cells. It damages liver cells as it continues to build up and take up space in the liver. This, like I said, eventually leads to permanent liver damage unless you do something about it. There are no medicines to treat it, but there is a home remedy to try that can have really positive effects on cleaning out the liver. It's a simple 3-ingredient smoothie. All you gotta do is add kale, frozen blueberries, and kefir to a blender and mix it up. Studies show that kefir significantly reduces triglycerides and total cholesterol in the liver after only 4 weeks. This is thought to be because kefir can inhibit the lipogenesis pathways, reducing lipid or fat contents from entering the liver. The blueberries in smoothies are high in antioxidants that protect the body against those damaging free radicals, and this is specifically important in the liver. So consuming blueberries reduces inflammation in the liver and it protects it from oxidative stress damage. The third ingredient is kale, and kale is also an anti-inflammatory that reduces inflammation, which is extremely valuable for chronic liver problems. Kale has high antioxidant properties that fight off many free radicals that cause cell damage in the liver. So these simple 3 ingredients have massive anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties with the addition of kefir to reduce triglyceride and cholesterol in the liver. You'll quickly be on your way to a clean liver if you add this to your daily routine. Other ways to help battle fatty liver disease is by eating healthy, balanced meals. You may have heard in the beginning of this video that fatty liver disease is primarily caused by insulin resistance, high fat intake, and obesity. And the main preventative treatment against all of these conditions is balanced eating and exercise. With all this in mind, adding the low-calorie smoothie that we discussed earlier can be a fantastic way to start your morning, maybe to satisfy a mid-morning craving until it's lunchtime, or to even give you a boost of nutrients in the afternoon. The benefits are huge, so I suggest you definitely give it a try. That is all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you got something valuable from it. Until next time, be well everyone, and I'll see you next time.